At the end of my recording for these particular videos, I find that I have around 50 videos covering practically every aspect of Lightroom, and if you watch them back to back, they would last something around 8 hours. And of course we've got a large number of videos here which give you easy access to the information you want. Some of it you may never need, but if you do, it's reassuring to know it's there. You may have noticed that I haven't said a great deal about some of the options we'll find in the menus along the top. It's because in a software such as Lightroom, most of the options along those menus we've covered in different ways. Many things are duplicated in the way we can select them. Just to bring this group of videos to a close, a little bit of fun stuff to end on. If you've not already discovered this, go to the top left of your screen, and up here you can choose to change the identity plate. From the drop down menu here, choose personalized, and you can choose a different name. And as you can see, you've got all the usual things which you can change: font style, size, and you can even reflect all of these options in the same font. There are one or two options we've not chosen to include in this group of videos because we're trying to keep it focused on the sharp end of image editing and the catalog and library system. But those are the map module, creating a book, creating a slideshow, printing images, and of course producing web galleries.